Birds, diverse and captivating, exhibit extraordinary behaviors. Witness intricate courtship dances, remarkable problem-solving skills, and breathtaking migrations. Did you know some birds use tools? Exploring these unique traits unveils the astonishing world of avian wonders. Beyond their beauty, birds play crucial roles in ecosystems, pollinating plants, controlling pests, and balancing nature. Join us in unraveling the marvels of our feathered friends, showcasing the intricate tapestry of life in the avian realm.